guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. Today we're going to be doing a review on this gorgeous 613 wig. If you want to know all the details about this wig and where I got it, stick around. This wig is from Xrs Beauty Hair. I'm going to show you guys the unboxing portion of the video right now. I did some toning of the hair. The wig came a little bit more yellow, so I wanted to tone some of that out, and I used a purple shampoo. So when using purple shampoo, I like to do it this way because if you just apply it to the hair when it's dry, it's gonna be very intense and some spots will be like very purple. So this way just ensures that it's an even distribution of the purple shampoo to tone the hair. So right now I'm just putting some more in because I noticed that it's not toning as much as I would like. So I went in with a bit more, and I'm just like, you know, checking it out, making sure that it's mixed really well, because if there's any lumps in the bottom of that bowl, it's going to leave a really obvious purple stain, and we don't want that. Okay guys, so I'm happy with the level of toning that I achieved with just the purple shampoo. So now I'm gonna go in with some conditioner. This is what I like to use on my wigs, if you guys were wondering. So I've gotten this question a lot, like what type of conditioners and shampoos I use on my wigs, and I just use the cheap stuff. It really doesn't need anything expensive. I've noticed that over time, the more expensive shampoos tend to leave the hair really dry. So we want to put some moisture back in, and obviously with the more affordable shampoos and conditioners, they are pretty moisturizing. So right now I'm just going to apply the wig. I love using my Got2b freeze spray. I usually use that for most of my wigs. And I'm just going to blow dry it really quickly, and we're going to move on to styling. So the details about this wig, this is a 16-inch wig. I did trim the ends, as you guys would have seen in the styling portion of the video, just lightly, just to make it look more straight. I think it looks cuter this way. This wig is a 13x4, 613, and it is in the straight texture. So because it is a straight textured wig, I wanted to leave it straight to show its natural beauty. Now, if you guys are not familiar with Xrs hair, they are really popular because right now they have that new clear lace, super popular lately, and they make really good wigs. You guys, the hair on their unit is absolutely gorgeous. It is pretty challenging to find really good really light blonde hair, because of course it goes through a lot to get to this color. But you guys, this wig is beautiful. It has a lot of luster and natural softness to it. It straightened very nicely. It blow dried nicely. Like, this is a wig that you don't even have to straighten with the straightener to wear it. You can literally blow dry it and it'll look nice. If you wanted to wear it curled, like, you could do that. It would be more of a loose wave, but you just scrunch the hair up when it's wet and let it dry that way. So this is definitely very versatile. It looks gorgeous, feels gorgeous. It is an ear to ear, so I do have it secured, and I did do the ball cap method underneath, so you know, we can just make this wig look the best it possibly can, and it definitely looks really good. I did light baby hairs today. I always feel like with this type of hair color, you need to have some baby hairs for it to look the most realistic. Super soft. As I'm running my hands through it, it's not tangling, it's not shedding. I love how it toned. I think it could even tone some more to take out a bit more of the yellow, but it still looks pretty good from where we started. So I'm really happy with it, you guys. I think this wig is beautiful. I love their hair. If you're looking for really good quality hair, I think their wigs are so beautiful and so well made. Smells good, looks good, feels good. I would definitely recommend this company to you guys, and I would say that it is Kaviar approved. Xrs Beauty Hair has amazing quality hair, and you should definitely check them out. Prices for these units are a little bit on the more expensive side, but you get what you pay for. So when you're spending your money and you want something to last a really long time, you hope that it is actually represented in the product, and their products are definitely representative to the price. It does fit because it is a little bit more expensive, like I said, but the product itself is beautiful. All the information will be in the description box below, guys. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.